It's a bad man thing. See,
YoungBodzY.
see, I like when you come around. Make you come and be my queen. Oh. Make you move that thing, bring it down. Make you move that thing, bring it down. See, I like when you come around. Make you come and be my queen. Oh. Make you move that thing, bring it down. Make you move that thing, bring it down. Oh. Hey, mommy, you bring it down. The way you move the body, girl, you shut it down. Where you from, girl? Cause I see you around town and I'm a boss, man. So you know how it goes down. Me, I be checking me, so I did run the town.
Now, before we talk about this unit, I want to give a big thanks to SAMSBEAUTY for definitely sending out this Vixen wig. Definitely appreciated. And of course, if you are new to the channel, welcome. Make sure you hit that subscribe button for your girl. And of course, don't forget to follow me on all my social media. And those links will be in the description box down below. Okay, let me explain something. I was about to call it a night. Relax, kick up my feet. Then, of course, USPS knocked on my door. And what did they bring me? I just had to do this review real quick, and I hope my lighting cooperates with me. I was a little hesitant with doing this review. I didn't like the way the parting looked, but when I took it out the package, girl, and this color is just so amazing. Okay, so just a couple of specs on this unit. This is a 3-way part wig. She is 100% human hair premium mix, and it does come in a number of colors. So the color I have is the TTP 1B30 bronze, and such a beautiful color. Now here is your hairline. So it is a very dense hairline. They do give you some baby hairs, and of course the sides are very dense. So I feel like this almost forces you to do some baby hairs. And here is your parting space. Let me see if I can pull it out. This is with no plucking, no tweezing. And I would probably just go through and apply some pressed powder, and that would probably be it. So she is a very beautiful thick density. This is with all the hair to the front. So I'm gonna give you a little Valley Girl 360. As it is.
Take it down for me, take it down for me. The way you move your sexy body, take it down for me. The way you rocking all the show, take it down for me. Take it down.
Here's what the parting is looking like with the unit down. With this style, you could actually get away with the part not showing. There is no luster on this unit. I know with my bright ring light, it is coming off a little shiny, but this actually really has a natural look to it. Love the density, very great thick density to her, but she still has that natural look to her. And let's talk about this bang, baby. Look at this bang, baby. This is by far one of the best Vixen wigs on the market.
However.
So, biggest however with this unit is the hairline. I think a lot of us reviewers have mentioned that the hairlines are too thick on these Vixen wigs, but they still keep giving us these hairlines where you're almost forced to do baby hairs. Let's definitely give us mature ladies an option, you know. Just some subtle baby hairs, a little bit of a pre-plucked hairline, you know, something along that line. Of course, you know, you guys know how I feel about the bumped ends, but I do feel it works for the style. It definitely works for the style. I hope you guys enjoyed my little extra, my little on 10, because honey, I saw this color, I felt the texture, I just had to do this review. But if you guys are interested in this Vixen wig, definitely check out SAMSBEAUTY.com. Their information is in the description box down below. Don't forget to like, comment, of course, subscribe to the channel. Let your girl know that you're here. And ladies, you know what I say. Whatever wig you wear, whatever style, cut, or color, or what Vixen Just make sure you wear it with confidence, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one.